Okay, so in this question we're given a spherical balloon with the volume, the formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, and we're to find the approximate change in radius when volume goes from 500 cubic centimeters to 499 cubic centimeters. So the change in volume is -1. Okay, so we just have to use the method of small changes. The method of small changes is a formula that says that delta V over delta R is approximately equal to dV dr. Okay, we know delta V, we can calculate dV dr, so we just have to find out what delta R is. So let's rearrange that so we get delta R by itself. Let's bring it over to this side, which is delta V divided by dV dr. Okay, so we know that V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, therefore dV dr equals, multiply by 3, the 3's cancel, 4 pi r squared. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so delta R equals -1, which is delta V, divided by 4 pi r squared. And now all we've got to do is figure out the value of R. And R, when the volume is 500, so we know that we can use this formula here for the volume, so we know that 500 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. R cubed equals 3, let's bring everything over to the other side, 3/4 of 500 divided by pi. R equals, okay, it's the cube root of that. So the cube root of 3/4 of 500 is 375 over pi, cube root. Okay, so we just plug that number in, so we get delta R is -1 over, okay, this is going to look a little bit ugly, but it should be okay, cube root of 375 over pi squared. Okay, it looks a bit ugly, but it doesn't matter because it's the calculator section, so we can just plug the numbers in. Don't worry about simplifying, just plug the numbers straight in, and we're going to end up with negative 0., to two significant figures, 0.0033 centimeters. Okay, so that's our answer. So that's the first part of the question. Now the second part of the question is to do with surface area. And it says, use your answer in A to find the approximate change in the surface area when its volume changes. So the formula for surface area is pi r squared, 4 pi r squared. And dA dr in this case is 8 pi r. So we're going to use the same formula again, but just apply it differently. So the delta A over delta R approximately equal to dA dr. So in this case we want to find delta A, so we get that delta A is dA dr times delta R. Now we figured out the delta R already because it's from going from 500 to 499, that's the delta R, so we just need to plug that into here. So dA dr, which is 8 pi r times -0.0033. We know this R value here because we figured that out before as well. So 8 pi, what was it again? Cube root 375 over pi times -0.0033. Again, a little bit ugly, but doesn't matter. Just plug it into the calculator and we get -0.41. Change in surface area, so that's centimeters squared.